What's up fellows, my name is ASHMIT from TECHY PIZZA, and today I'm going to tell you that how you can customize your normal phone so that it looks like a Google Pixel 3 XL, just like this. So I'm using my Redmi Note 5 Pro for this video. So let's spread technology. You have to download this app called CPL Customized Pixel Launcher from the Google Play Store. And now after installing it, you have to just simply press your home button and select your CPL as the default home app. So now this is a very plain look for this app, and we have to do some customization. So to do that, first you have to long press on an empty area, then click on Home Settings. After going to Home Settings, you have to go to Dock, then select all these options. After doing this, your home page will look like this. And okay, so it will look like this. Now again go to the Home Settings. Again, now click on Home Screen. Now there are pretty good options over here, and you have to select it at your own choice. So now you have to click on Add a Clock and enable this Launch Clock app, and you can set the clock format. I'm using the AM and PM format. Now let's go back and check what is new in this. So here my time has been added here. So now this doesn't look like a Pixel phone's home screen. Now we will again go to the Home Settings, and here we will click on Theme. Now click on Icon Pack. Now I have already installed Pixel Icon Pack from the Google Play Store, which I will link down in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. So I will click on it and it will start applying. So after it has been applied, your home screen will look like this, which is a lot like the Google Pixel, and all your apps icons will change. So and now for the final touch, you need a notch if you want feel like Google Pixel 3 XL. So for that you have to download an app called Notch from the Play Store itself. I will also link down that in my description below, so don't forget to check it out. And here is the Notch app. Okay, so now I have to click on this power on button, and here is my notch. Here you can see. Okay, so here is my notch, and I can also adjust the width and height of this notch. Okay, so like that I can adjust the height and width of my notch. And here we are going to just select it as of my notification panel. Let's slim it a bit, and here is my perfect notch. So this is absolutely optional according to your choice and preference. So now here you can see wherever I go, here the notch is added. So the next thing we are gonna do is we are gonna add a navigation pill. Like it is a gesture based thing. Like if you swipe up like this, your home will open like this, your back will open, your right it will open your recent apps. So for that you have to install this navigation gestures app. I will link it down in the description below. So we have to enable gesture pill. We have also done some settings. I will show you how. Here there are pretty good options. On tap I have set up assistant, which will open the Google Assistant on tap like this. So I was saying that on the swipe left I have set up the back, and on the swipe right I have set up the recent apps, and on swipe up I have set the home. Okay, so now I will show you how to change its appearance. Here we can select the fill width. Here you can see, and I will keep it as short as possible just because Google Pixel has a very short fill, so I recommend you to do it 95 pixels, and fill height I have adjusted as 41 pixels. Okay, so now let's move back, and here are some other options you can select. So here is the demonstration of it. Here you can see it is the back, it is the recent, and this is the home, like this. Okay, so that is how you do it. And for the final change, we have the volume Pi app. Okay, so we have to do some things like, okay, so we have to allow some permissions for this app, like overlay screen, do not disturb access, and phone state. Okay, so now we have to you can see that if I do like this, I have to also enable the accessibilities. Now here you can see if I do my click on my volume rocker buttons, it will show a vertical bar over your right side, and your volume can be decreased or increased as well. Here you can see it is just like the Google Pixel 3 XL, or you can say Android Pie. So I will also leave the link down in the description below for this app. So here are some customizations like the position, center left or center right, or the any other things. So here is your new Google Pixel 3 XL, and as I'm using my Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is a Xiaomi device, I can also hide these buttons to clearly show the build over here. To do that, I have to just go to settings, click on full screen display, then click on this full screen gestures, and here you can see my buttons are now disappeared, and now I have to just simply do like this. So this is how you can set up your device as of you are just holding a Pixel 3 XL. So this was it for today, guys. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe this channel by clicking the red icon over just down below, and also like this video, and also share it with your family and friends, and also comment down below. So this was ASHMIT Singh from Techie Pizza, signing off.